In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up invoice and quote settings using Xero's accounting software. This guide is perfect for small business owners or anyone new to Xero, as it details each step clearly and with extra tips to enhance your understanding. First, let's start by opening your preferred web browser. Head over to Google and type in Xero. You'll find the official Xero website at the top of the search results. Click on the link labeled Xero, Accounting Software for Small Businesses, to navigate to the homepage. Once you're there, you'll want to log into your Xero account. Look for the Login button, typically found in the upper right corner of the page. Click on it and enter your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one. Before proceeding, for those of you who are already logged in, you should be greeted with the dashboard page. From your dashboard, direct your attention to the top menu or sidebar, depending on your layout. Click on your business's name. This will open a drop-down menu where you can find several options crucial for managing your business finances. In this menu, find and click on Settings. This section is where you can adjust various parameters for your business within Xero. Now that you're in the Settings section, look for Invoice Settings. Clicking this option will bring you to a new page where you can manage how your invoices are formatted and delivered. Here, you'll see an option for New Branding Theme. Clicking this allows you to create a customized look for your invoices, which is important for maintaining a professional appearance tailored to your brand. After you've made the alterations you want, don't forget to click Save. This is crucial to ensure all your customizations are applied. Next, locate and select Default Settings. This option is essential for setting any standard preferences that apply to all future invoices and quotes, streamlining your billing process. In the default settings, find Quote Prefix. Clicking on it allows you to edit the prefix that will be added to each quote generated. This can be useful for organizing and easily identifying different quotes. Make sure you save these settings by clicking Save once more. By following these steps, you will have successfully set up your invoice and quote settings in Xero. Remember, the key points are logging into your Xero account, navigating through the dashboard, accessing settings, customizing your invoice look, and configuring default settings. With these elements polished, you're all set to manage your finances with greater ease. Thank you for tuning in, and hopefully, you find this guide useful as you continue to streamline your financial operations using Xero. For more how-tos and tips on efficiently using business tools, stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.